In this video, I'm going to show you how singing can help transition your voice. You're watching Trans Voice Talk Tuesday, where every week I put out new tips designed to help trans, non-binary, and gender questioning folks find a voice that aligns with their identity. If we haven't met yet, I'm Nicole Gress. I'm a speech pathologist and a trans voice coach. Okay, so in this video, we're going to do something a little different. I was actually browsing the trans voice subreddit the other day, as I do most days, and answering some questions and giving feedback and advice. When I came across this post, it said, quote, "Whenever I try singing in my feminine voice, it sounds really good and natural. But as soon as I try speaking normally, that naturalness goes away and it sounds fake and forced. How do I transfer the comfort of my singing voice into my everyday speaking voice?" End quote. I love this question, and I'm going to answer it here for you, and also give you some tips on how singing can actually help you find more range in your transitioning voice. All right, so the two acts of singing and speaking are actually controlled by separate parts of your brain. When you speak, it's controlled in your left hemisphere. And when you sing, it combines both the left for language and the right hemisphere for melody and pitch. So if you're finding success when you're singing and then it disappears when you casually start speaking, it could be because you're no longer utilizing the musical part of your brain. If this sounds like you, here's what to do. I want you to start speech singing. So when you're by yourself, just start adding a little sing-songiness to your speech, using just like little short phrases to start out. So you can pretend as though you're in a musical of your life where you sing everything. You can start kind of narrating your day in song. I'm opening the door, walking down the hall, the bathroom is my destination. I can't wait to take a shower, it's gonna feel so good. Don't worry about transitioning out of song into just talking yet. First, just have some fun with it and allow your brain to connect the right hemisphere, melody and pitch, to your casual conversational voice. Quick note, another reason that it can be difficult to transfer skills from singing to speaking is because you're not having to think of the words when you sing. They're already predetermined. Somebody else has created them and you're just pulling them from your memory. But when you go to speak, much more of your mental bandwidth is used, which leaves less room to concentrate and monitor your voice. Now, if you're someone who actually has quite a good amount of range in their singing voice, but it's just not happening in your speaking voice, this exercise is also a really good way to start transitioning that success into your speaking voice by doing sing speaking. Okay, if you have a question about voice work that you want answered, either comment it below or comment the keyword "help me," and I'll reach out directly to chat about next steps and some resources. I'll see you back here next week for the next edition of Trans Voice Talk Tuesday. Bye.